Hey, what's going on? So if you're like me, you like anyone, you like Bluetooth music in your car, you're too lazy, too cheap, or you just prefer the factory look of a factory radio, then this is for you. I've had this adapter, this brand of adapter, in 2 different cars and it worked perfectly. So I'm gonna install it again on my Passat. So how this works is, I think you just plug into the back of the radio, press CD, connects to this, you connect your phone to that, bada boom, bada bang, Bluetooth. So I have no idea what to do. I think you just need to take out the radio. Yeah, and oh, there we go. There's an installation video, so you don't even need to watch this video. If you want to watch that, you can watch that, but I'm going to do it too. So we need to remove this panel. Jeez, that was a bit too easy. Probably broke all the clips. And yeah, it looks like it's just 4. Oh my god, look at all that shit. Just 4 Torx screws and the radio comes out. That's good. It's actually from a scrapyard. So that plugs in there. There's the ground cable, and then it just works. So I'm on my phone, YouTube Music, turn on the radio. I'm gonna press play. Failure. There we go, it's connected already. And I can adjust the volume with the button on the steering wheel. And I can change the track. You have the MFD in this screen. You can just change the song with the button. And now this thing costs like €50. And yeah, it's literally that simple. So yeah, thanks for watching. The link's going to be in the description for this actual adapter. And yeah, it's that simple. Enjoy your music.